What's up, everyone? If you've ever found yourself fumbling around your Tacoma, looking for a better way to organize your gear or just make your ride smoother, trust me, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down 10 must-have accessories I seriously regret not grabbing sooner. These things legit solve the everyday annoyances Tacoma owners deal with, and once you try them, there's no going back. Everything I mention in this video is linked up in the description, so check it out after watching. Let's dive in. Starting off with the Bofn racing car seat storage basket, this one's a game changer for both daily drivers and trailheads. Mounts right in front of the driver or passenger seat and gives you an easy access spot for phones, wallets, or even a flashlight. It's made of high-strength manganese steel with an anti-scratch coating, so it won't rattle or warp even on rough terrain. Plus, the Molle panel makes it super modular, strap-on tools, first aid kits, or even emergency gear. It's rugged, organized, and doesn't get in your way. Next up, the Szyang bed Molle panels. These panels mount cleanly to the bed walls and give you vertical storage, perfect for things like jacks, shovels, axes, or recovery tools. The carbon steel can hold up to 300 pounds, no flex, no drama. It keeps your gear from sliding around, especially off-road, and installation's a breeze with a QR-coded video guide. Just make sure your Tacoma doesn't have the motorized grab handle. They won't fit those models. Coming in hot is the bed channel support bracket. If you're carrying heavy loads or just want to prevent bed flex and long-term cracking, you need this. It's heavy-duty steel with a wrinkle-black powder coat to resist rust and scratches. Not only does it beef up your bed structurally, it also doubles as a mounting point for other gear. Works great with bed drawer systems, racks, and tonneau covers. You'll need to drill a couple of holes for a solid fit, but it's well worth it. Now let's talk about something simple but genius: the JDMcar Gas Cap Holder. Ever let your gas cap dangle while refueling? Not anymore. This little twist lock holder secures the cap right where you need it. No more scratches or dirt on your paint. It's custom fit for 3rd-gen Tacomas and locks in with a quick twist. Super easy to install and such a clean solution to a tiny but annoying issue. Then we have the JKCoverCenter console hidden box. It blends in seamlessly and adds a secret storage spot under your center console lid. Perfect for stashing cash, keys, or anything you want out of sight. The press-to-open latch is super smooth, and it fits flush like it came from the factory. Easy install, just peel and stick. It's sturdy, OEM-looking, and practical as hell. Next is the Goopool Bed Step, and if you've ever tried to climb into your Tacoma bed with your hands full, you already know how clutch this is. It tucks into the bumper when not in use and folds down with one foot when you need it. Super durable, with a high-impact non-slip pad and rated to last. Especially helpful if your Tacoma's lifted. Install's not too bad, but mounting the arm to the frame may need some muscle. For storage overhead, check out the Hooke Road Overhead Molle panel. It fits 2nd-gen double cab models and turns your ceiling into storage real estate. Mount Molle pouches, gear, or magnetic tools like knives and flashlights. Made from CNC-cut 14-gauge steel, it bolts on with no drilling. Super sleek, doesn't block visibility, and adds tactical function to your cab interior. Sliding into the center console organizer, this thing completely transforms your console. With built-in USB-A and Type-C ports, you don't have to lift the tray to charge your phone anymore. Plus, it's got a hidden card compartment for added security. The design is a bit taller than others on the market, which means more storage. It's clean, practical, and keeps your console looking neat instead of a junk drawer. Security-wise, you need the Hooke Road Bed Security Lock Lid. It bolts right on, no drilling, and gives you lockable bed storage. Made from tough 14-gauge steel with a textured powder coat, it shields your gear from theft. Comes with a pry guard locking system and backup keys. It's peace of mind, whether you're storing tools or just keeping valuables tucked away. And finally, the Bulletpoint dash phone mount. This is hands down one of the best Tacoma mods I've made. It's not just for your phone. This thing can hold cameras, tablets, GPS units, even CB radios. The Ruby grid system lets you customize it completely. Made of laser-cut metal, it mounts rock solid to your dash and doesn't budge, even when you're bouncing down trails. It looks factory, but works way better than any suction cup junk. So there you have it, 10 Tacoma accessories I wish I didn't sleep on. These mods solve real problems: organization, accessibility, safety, and just overall ease of use. Every product I talked about is linked in the video description, so be sure to check that out if you're ready to gear up your Tacoma. And if this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for more Tacoma upgrades, trail tips, and gear reviews. Stay safe out there and keep your rig ready for whatever's next.